I'm about to go get a new piercing. Let's go.
This match. Okay.
Can sometimes.
And I also have to match it like with your lips and with your previous piercing
Right,
too.
yeah.
So it's not like, you know, the top piercing is almost more important than the shape of your lips.
That's true,
because
yeah.
That's way more noticeable. It's just in case you don't remember. Like these. And then same drill as always. Big ribbon, push it all out. Okay, cool. Yep, sound good.
Sounds good.
And then we're just doing a little brace done today. We're doing 14 gauge and 3. Okay, cool.
Cool.
Any questions, concerns, conversations?
No.
You're nervous?
A little bit.
I know.
I haven't had a piercing in like 2 years.
And then you will have something pokey hanging out of your mouth for a moment, so like try not to. Alright, go ahead with that big breath in and push it all out. I feel like I look extra shaky, but I still am just cold.
I know.
Alright, girlfriend, you can relax and be normal. I'm gonna go ahead and just clean up. How you feeling?
Good. So the eye water.
I remember how to do it.
Yay!
Well, didn't forget. Love that. But yeah, I don't know. Most people are drunk. And then I still women that and there's people who drink people on my face. How are you feeling?
Good.
Not ouchie. Was it better or worse than your Medusa, you think?
Better.
Better?
Much better, yeah. The Medusa, I was like, ooh. Yeah.
I mean, that's where a lot of your facial nerve endings are right
Yeah.
there, so.
Yep. Hey. Oh my gosh. Yay.
So, like I said, antenna, but
Yeah.
you can tell where she's gonna be.
Oh yeah, for sure. Awesome. I'm so excited. Alright guys, I'm all done. I just got home. I can already start to feel the swelling happening, but it was honestly so easy. So this is a 14 gauge 3/8 barbell, and I got it tucked up just underneath my lip. That's exactly where I wanted it. So as far as pain, my Medusa was a lot more painful than this one. It was a really easy process. I am gonna look a little bit silly for a while, for the next few weeks while they're swelling, and I have this really long barbell in, so I'm gonna look a little goofy for a while, but that's okay. Trust the process, okay? Like, this isn't how it's gonna look once it's all healed, but Eee, that's how it looks. I'm starting to get a little like tight feeling, which, you know, is normal. If it feels weird, it's gonna take some adjusting. There it is. I'll keep you guys updated on how I am feeling later, because I'm sure the swelling is about to be intense, so, but there it is. Hey guys, so it's been a few hours now, and I am starting to get sore. I'm starting to feel some pain. I don't know how well you can see on camera. Yeah, my bottom lip is starting to swell a little bit. I'm sure tomorrow and the next day are going to be the worst of it, so let's begin.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad,
Yeah.
baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious. I'ma go cause something, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So I just wanted to give you an update on my LABRET piercing. So as I am sitting here right now, today is day 4 with the piercing. If you can hear my dishwasher in the back, I am so sorry, but dishes had to get done. So yeah, it is officially day 4 since I've had this piercing. So it is still very new, it is still very fresh. And I just kind of wanted to give an update on how healing has been going for this piercing, because it has been worlds different than my Medusa. The healing for this one is a little bit more intense than this one. I have had more pain with this one for the healing process, but the first 3 days I did have to take some pain reliever. I had to take just some ibuprofen because this one has been substantially more painful to heal than this one. The healing process for my Medusa was so incredibly smooth and easy. This one has been a little bit more painful. It's been very itchy, tight feeling. I'm getting the like crusties and the redness and all of that going on right now, which, you know, is very normal. I'm keeping up on cleaning it as far as like mouthwash, brushing my teeth, cleaning the outside of it and the inside. You know, oral piercings are a little bit more in-depth because not only do you have to clean the outside, you also have to clean the inside because it's in your mouth. Now it is tender, but it's not as painful as it was. Definitely day 2 was by far the most painful. That's when I was also at my most swollen as well. As far as changing this one, you know, they say about 2 weeks is when you can go down to something shorter. But I think this one may have to stay in for longer than 2 weeks just because I don't know. Like with this one, at the 2-week mark, I had no pain, nothing, and I could change it really easily with no issues. This one, I may have to wait a little bit longer. You know, other than that, it's been going fine. Like, you know, obviously this is not my first rodeo with piercing, so I kind of knew what to expect, but I just wanted to share my personal experience between, you know, this piercing and this one. I did also used to have my Monroe done as well. That one was kind of similar to this. I don't know if you guys remember back in the day when I used to have that. I did clean it maybe like an hour or so ago, and the more I talk, the more irritated and red it tends to get. So I'm gonna keep this short, but I just wanted to give you guys an update. I don't know if any of you out there either have or had your labret pierced. Did you have a rough healing experience? Let me know. I don't want to say it's rough, but it's definitely harder than this one. So that's a little update on how I'm feeling on day 4.
You cannot tell me what I cannot say. I'm here to last, so yeah, I'm here to stay. I'll live each second like my final day. You can't take that away. Yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Do it no cap. Only got one, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad.
Hey guys, so it has officially been 1 week since I got my labret pierced. Today is literally 1 week, like almost to the time exactly of when I got it done. And I just wanted to give one final little update and conclude this video. I will be making other videos in the future, like how I clean it, how the rest of the healing process went, when I change it, you know, all of that good stuff. But I just wanted to basically show you what the first week was like for me. So today, it's doing okay. We are having like some crusties and just some redness left over. It is still like the slightest bit tender, but not too bad. Yeah, and as you can see, the bar is starting to look really long. It has caught on my teeth twice, but I was able to catch it before I bit down and chipped my tooth, so I'm really anxious to change it. But it is nowhere near ready yet. It is still way too fresh and a little too tender to be doing that yet. But when I do it, I will, of course, go ahead and film it for you guys. But that was my first week with my labret piercing and what the healing has been like so far. It has, like I said on day 4, it has been a little rougher than my Medusa was. I'm just being really careful and taking it easy with this one, doing everything correctly because it has been a little more intense. Yeah, it's really long, as you can see. But yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think of my new piercing, and I, of course, will be back with other videos on this journey as well. If you guys enjoyed, of course, go down and give this video a huge thumbs up. If you are new to my channel and you enjoy piercing content, among many other forms of content, make sure you go down and hit that red subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it, but I'm gonna go get back to editing, and I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye!